If I go into products, you will see a master product library. From here, you will see thousands of vapes, nicotine pouches, nightlife essentials, energy, disposable cameras, all types of things. You can browse through this. You can also search, and you can select different products that are not going to be applied to your machines, but they are going to be in your personal library so that you can use those. So if I want the Geek Bar 15K, I go ahead and click select. If you want to put an internal cost price, how much it costs you, nobody will see that. You can do that. If you want to add a product type, you could create a category, but it's not necessary. So go ahead and hit confirm. Now you'll see that I have one product to choose from. You can continue to do that and select products. But if you cannot find your product in here, you could go to product list, which is your list. You could click add. And from here, you could type in your product. Let's say you're looking at the Alp Chill Mint 3 milligrams, which we have, but just for testing purposes. Let's say it costs you $4. You could upload the picture here. Now, to upload a good picture, I'll walk you through it. Go to Google, type in exactly what you want, click images, find the image, go to a snipping tool or a crop tool, and crop it very tightly. The tighter you crop it, the bigger the image will appear. From here, you could save that image. Upload that picture. And now hit confirm. Once you populate all your products, either from selecting from the master library or product list, you could go ahead to your machine list and go into aisle goods. Note, you see that our MegaWall 2.0 is online because we connected it to Wi-Fi. From here, we will go to aisle goods. And you can see the 15 aisles. And you could click each aisle and you could select the products that are in your product list. If you have a lot, you could also type and it'll populate. So go ahead and select your products. Decide what you want to price them at. If you have age restriction, you could type in 21. Maximum inventory, depending on your coil size, but standard is going to be 7. And your current inventory, what you load it with. If you want to receive alerts when it reaches a certain threshold, you could type in 1 or 2 or 3. And green just means that the aisle's disabled, that customers can purchase. So from here, you could continue to populate all your aisles and select your prices and your inventory counts, and you could go ahead and hit confirm. If you want to be really quick, you could set up one aisle. You could select copy, one click paste. It'll make everything the same. And then you could just go ahead and change product images and hit confirm. Immediately, these vapes or products will show up on your screen. You will notice that if I were to remote into the machine right now by clicking remote login, that the products and the prices that I just selected will be on the machine that we just set up. There's the ALP image that we set up. And everything with our software, as long as you're online, will be instantaneous. For an example, if we were to change aisle 1 to $33.22 and hit confirm, you see now aisle 1 is $33.22. I encourage you to play with the software, spend an hour, poke around, read the guides, chat with our AI. But basically, to sum it up, you have your machine list. You could change your name. You go to aisle goods and select your products. And if products aren't displaying, it's because they are not in your products library, which is called products product list. One more little trick. If you go to your products product list, it's sometimes easier or quicker to just hit add. And instead of adding a new product, you could hit select products here. And you could see all the products that are in the master library. And you could search as well. And then you could just go ahead and click select. And now you can see that in my product list, I have that product available.